Welcome to SAT 021. The topic of this lesson is the introduction of x. Order of operations are used to find the value of a numeric expression. If a number or a value is unspecified, it is represented by a symbol called a variable. Any letter can be used as a variable, but x is normally the most common one. With the arrival of variables in algebra, those variables are seen in different operations, like in addition, subtraction, multiplication. But be aware that the cross-product symbol is usually not used in algebra anymore to avoid possible confusion, and in division.
When we translate from English language to mathematical language, remember phrases indicate expressions. Okay, so for example, when we see sum, more than, plus, increase by, and that means there is addition in the expression. When we see difference, minus, decrease by, less than, less, so that's subtraction in the expression. When we see product times multiplied by, of, so there is multiplication in the expression, and then quotient and the divided by indicate division in expression. And in the meantime, sentences indicate equations at this stage. Okay, so that means when we see the verb is in a sentence, that's an equal sign. Okay, so that indicates an equation.
So now let's look at a practice question. If x plus 5 is 7, find the value of 2 times x. Okay, so x plus 5, so that means the operation is addition. Is indicate it's an equation, so equals 7. And then we need to find 2 times x. Okay, so 2x, so that's a double of x. Okay, so we solve this equation. X plus 5 equals 7. And what number increased by 5, that's 7. Okay, and then x equals 2. Okay, and then we double it, so 2x equals 4. Now let's look at another practice question. Philip is a craftsman that makes wooden toys for sale to help local disabled children get decent education. He noticed that this week he made 30% more toys than the amount of toys he made last week. Based on Philip's observation, he counted 169 toys finished this week. Then how many toys he finished last week? And there are A, B, C, D, 4 choices. Okay, so Philip made more toys this week than last week. Then how much more? Okay, so that's 30% on top of 100%. So that's 130%, which turns into 1.3. And then we can form an equation. So the amount of toys made this week equals 1.3 times the amount of toys Philip made last week. And then substitute the amount of toys Philip made this week, 169, to the equation. And then we solve by dividing, and then the final answer is 130 toys last week. Okay, so that's C. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.